客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for some Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个月我们都要教所谓的破音字啊，像英文里面也有啊，眼泪叫做 tear，T-E-A-R。但是如果把一张纸撕掉了，变念成 tear，这是破音字啊。
客家方面有啊，
也有对不对？
有啊。
比如说呢，
看到，
就看到，看着。
着衫，
着衫，穿衣服的意思，对不对？
对。
Oh, okay, those are two different ways to say the same word. It's a heteronym, as we call it. 好，那看到，我们来造一个句好了。好，看着嘛，对不对？比如说在山上可以看着满天的星星。
第三档，做得看到，满天嘅星呢。
That means up in the mountains we can watch a sky full of stars. 星呢就是星星的意思嘛。哦，那刚刚讲另外一个念法就变成说穿的意思了。
对。
That means to wear some clothes, for instance. And let's make an example. 清晨运动时要穿着亮色的衣服。During morning workouts, you should wear something bright.
大做运动嘅時節，
愛做
色目較亮嘅衫褲。
愛做色目較亮嘅衫褲。
對，就是顏色要亮一點哦。
對，較亮嘅就是亮亮的 ，a bright colored clothes. 衫褲 that's clothes. All right, so those are two ways to say the same word. Again, 看到叫做
看到
and then to wear something 着衫。And there you have it. Another round of Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼太假？
但是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.